Sending money on Magento involves a few straightforward steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Follow these steps to complete your payment process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Magento account. Access your Magento account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to send money. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Payment or Transactions section. This is where you will initiate the money transfer. Step 3. Select the payment method. Choose the payment method you wish to use for sending money. Magento supports various payment gateways, so select the one that suits your needs. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the necessary details of the recipient, including their account information and the amount you wish to send. Double-check the information to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily send money through Magento. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the support documentation or contacting customer service for assistance.